Exercise 6 is reaching down to the feet with your hands. So making a triangle and then breathing in, coming around to lean back, not letting the head drop backwards. Drawing down the outsides of the legs with the knees straight. Bend the knees and coming up the insides of the legs to make your triangle over Dantian. Breathing in, hold the breath. Breathe out as you lean back. Breathe in, come back to upright. Breathe out as you go down the outsides of the legs. Bend the knees, breathe in. Bringing the hands back to Dantian. And with the mind, keeping the mind in Dantian, as you lean back, and keeping the mind in Dantian as you come to upright, straighten the knees, and then send the mind and the chi down the outsides of the legs to the sole of the foot, into the feet. Bend the knees, and before you move with your mind, bring the chi back up to the perineal area and then into Dantian. And then drawing the hands back up and to Dantian to finish this one.